Saan pwede bilhin niya?
Ha? Ay, sa CDR. CDR King lang.
Meron siya?
Hindi, wala yung ganito. Online ko pinili.
Sa yung babala.
Kabal.
Meron ako ano eh. Projector na ano. Ano maliit, portable. Kailangan ko lang yung CDR. Pwede na ito.
What's your thoughts on the game?
Nice. Quite fun. Thoughts, we treated this game as a very important one, especially coming off a loss. I think that the previous loss gave us a lot of lessons, and those are the things that we tried to work on the last couple of days. That's why I think today as a team, we were still struggling, but when we were able to correct those mistakes namin previously, then it was a beauty actually. Parang maganda kami panoorin pag tama yung mga decision namin.
Coach, talk about the third quarter kung kayo nag-pull away nung third quarter.
Yeah, well, that's exactly the again, I always talk about inconsistencies ng team namin. We could be very good at times, but we could be very bad also at times. So, yung third quarter is really, kumbaga, it's how the game should be played. Walang pinipilit, just making the right decisions, finding the open guy, and then defending. So, I think that's during the first time, that's the thing that we emphasized, that everything started with when we started playing defense.
Coach, Mike, yung first half, maganda yung ginawa. Parang, is that something na kinausap mo sa kanya after yung hindi masyadong magandang game niya against PSG?
Actually, well, yeah, I think he made this adjustments. Ganyan naman mga players eh. Sometimes they struggle after a really bad game or not so good game, and then expect them to play better the next time. So I think si Mike lang really focused the last 3 days. Kaya mas maganda yung nilaro niya.
Coach, even with this week, may mga distractions po kayo.
Oh yes, marami. Yung distractions are constant. So, hanggang dulo. Kaya laging meron yan. I think we're starting to learn how to play. Kasi sometimes, usually the target is to avoid mga distractions. But right now, we're in that process of really accepting yung mga distractions, just trying to play through it. So, yeah. I think today we are okay.
Coach, almost all of your players may assist. And 23 assists. Emphasis ka pa talaga sa pass first.
Yeah. That has always been the emphasis, team play. But of course, again, you can't really force your players until such time na talaga ma-absorb nila at makita talaga nila lang. Again, pakonti-konti naintindihan namin, and I think slowly we're enjoying to share. Life is about sharing. Nothing different from the distractions you encounter in life. So pare-pareho lang tayo.
Coach, your thoughts on Macbeth?
Today, si Mac, showed his true leadership. Actually, we changed our starting unit. Si Mac came off the bench even after playing 2 very good games. Nag-sacrifice siya. because we're trying to find the perfect mix sa amin, yung rotation namin. Even coming off the bench, hindi siya nagpipilit, so we're just making the right decisions. And sa amin naman, yun ang lagi namin pinag-usapan, yun ang tinuturo namin sa kanila. And then, I think today, mas nag-grasp nila yung idea na just letting the game come to you, na hindi mo pinipilit na pagpasok mo ng good cover. So, even I think not only Max, si Roger Pogoy played well today. The last 2 games may konting legal siya. Today, he was very composed, kaya yeah, naka-contribute siya. And going to today's ball game, we wanted to really, kumbaga, bigyan siya ng kumpiyansa si Roger because we know na makakatulong siya sa amin down the line. Yui, ano masabi mo Max sa game natin sa Wednesday?
Yui, ano masabi mo sa...
Scott's na bala sa Day, ano lang kami. Siyempre magpe-prepare kami sa Wednesday game. Gagawin lang namin yung namin coach. Back to practice tomorrow tapos go hard.
Ano yung matchup nyo with Mami na Arafat?
Wala pang idea kung ano yung game plan ni coach. Pero asahan naman ni coach na gagawin namin lang.
Anong natutunan nyo sa pagkatalo nyo sa UST? Ano yung mga valuable lessons?
Marami kasi the past na yung sa defense ng UST na nabigla din kami. So ayun, pinag-aralan nga namin. So every practice nag-game ko.
Yung Yui, masabi ko na sila Arafat, Mami, plus yung shooting nila kung
From the very beginning, like sinabi ko naman na si Yui is very strong, having 2 imports. Grabe, si Mami is capable of dominating inside. Si Arafat is very active, both ends. So, iba I consider the 2 of them parang super imports. And then now they are supported by very good locals. Galing ng mga players ng Yui. They can shoot from the outside, plus the leadership of Suma. So, medyo mabigat para sa amin, especially sunod-sunod yung games namin. But again, we just have to find ways. We'll see on Wednesday.
Are there any more questions?
Coach, you still have 19 turnovers after 28 last game. Still concerned?
Yeah, that's one thing that we really talked about. Di bali kung forced turnovers, but a lot of those are unforced. But again, kung nakapag-28 ka, then 19 is already an improvement. So hopefully next game we lessen that more. So maybe around, the target rate is really around mga 12 lang every ball game.
Coach, is it a concern na yung tempo ng UE, can you handle the tempo ng UE when you go on Wednesday?
I hope we could handle that, and also we could counter that. Well, a good thing siguro when you play UE, they're a very quick team. So we want to believe that we are also a quick team. So it's either magpabilisan kami or i-kontrahin namin. We'll see. Hindi namin alam pa kung anong gagawin namin. We'll watch this game against us. Baka may makuha kami kay Coach Yuna.
Okay na. Congratulations, Coach.
Thank you.